Dreadlock Nation, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do what I call a one braid wonder. So if y'all like to see how it's done, keep on watching. So to start this style, what you want to do is start off at the front of the forehead, right in the very straight back, middle. Parting, straight back. Continuing with your part straight back down the middle of the head, you want to come down and curve toward the ear. Curve toward the ear, creating your section. What I want to mention here, as you notice when we made our part coming straight down the middle and we curve toward the ear, alright, and now we have two sections. We have this one section here that we created and the section here, which is the second section by default. Now with this style, this part here will be going forward, okay? So that means the braid that's coming back is going to be coming back and down to the left, okay? If you want your braid to go the other way, simply come straight down, curve to the right toward the ear, okay? Just like so. So we're going to separate the sections so that they don't intertwine. I'm going to take this red pipe cleaner and just hold it there. So before you actually start the braid, you want to make a middle part or a middle point for your braid. And we're going to just make a part that goes up the middle of the section to the front of the head. Okay, just like so. And basically what this is a guideline for the direction of your braid, because we're literally dealing with one half of the head. You can have a braid that's more closer to the ear or one that's closer to the middle part. You actually want your braid to come up the middle of this section. So if it helps you, you can actually make this part in the middle and separate the hair and do it just like that. And to start a crisscross braid, we're going to take some hair, two sections. Alright, and we're going to kind of cross them together just like so. Twist it just a little. Two sections. We're going to hold it this way, and our hair on this side and our hair on this side. Alright, and this is our guideline, the line that we made to kind of guide our braid in the direction that we want it to go. So as you can see here, the locks are going over to the left, okay? So that means we're going to start on this side because we want the hair to cross over. So we're going to take some hair, we're going to cross over, okay? And we're just going to bring it around just like so. We're going to take some hair from this side and just take a couple of locks. We're going to come over, cross over, come around just like so, hold it, keeping on your guideline, okay? Staying on your guideline. This hair came over, so we're going to take some hair from this side and we're going to bring it up, cross it over just like so. We're going to take some hair from this side. This is just a big crisscross braid coming over, come under, just like so. Take some hair from this side, just like so. We're gonna cross it over. So we have the braid coming over this way. We're gonna take some hair on this side, and we're gonna cross it over. Like so, and we're going toward the front of the head. Almost there. We're going to take some hair on this side. Bring it up. We're going to cross it over. Same thing. Bring it under. Just like so. We're going to take some hair from this side. Oops. And we're going to cross it over. Hope you guys can see. Just going to cross it over. Bring it around. I'm at the front of the head with the crisscross braid, and the last section came over this way. We're going to take the last section on this side, and we're going to come over, bring the hair around, just like so. Bring our last section over. Okay, we're actually going to connect it with the last section from this side. All right, and we're going to connect them at the bottom here. And we're going to put a rubber band on it. We're going to secure that hair with a rubber band. Like so. And now we have our first braid, our first section for this style. So once you complete that portion of the style, at this point you can do one or two things. You can simply leave the hair loose as it is here, and you can swing around your front portion just like so. Make it very neat, place it where you want, and you can leave it loose just like this, and you can continue your crisscross braid straight down to the back and swing it over to the right. But if you want it to look a little bit more intricate, or this is just a second option, you can go ahead and two-strand twist a portion of this hair, all of this hair. However, we're not going to be two-strand twisting all the way to the end. We'll probably two-strand twist about a third of the way, just enough to meet your second braid on the other side of the head. Also, keep in mind, you can make this as low or as high as you want it, or you can make it midway. You can make the front part any way you like. We're going to be doing chunky twists, okay? Not too big though. Okay, and for those who don't know, and for those who do know, y'all know chunky twists are basically 2 or more locks into a twist. So I'm going to twist this hair just like so, and I'm not going to be twisting this all the way to the end, okay, just a third of the way. First braid, you want to create your guideline, okay, and that's what I'm going to do here. So starting in the front where I want my braid to start, I'm going to create my guideline coming down the middle of this section. We're going diagonal. Okay, I'm going to move that hair out of the way. Okay, we're going to come around, continue our guideline. We're going to create that guideline down, just sectioning here. Continuing to create that guideline down, okay, just like so. As you can see, our guideline is going up to the front. So you have a section here at the bottom, and you have this section at the top. Okay. Once you separate your guideline, we're going to go ahead and start on that second braid. I'm going to take that hair, I'm going to fix it how we want it. Our braids, okay, right, check it how we want it. Okay, fix it how we want it to sit, you know. Okay, I think I like the way that looks. I think I like that just like that. Once you fix your section, or once you fix the front how you want it, you can also take a rubber band. It'll make it easier, and just loop all of the hair together. All right, this is just going to make it easier. Once you start your braid, you don't have to worry about anything coming out of place or falling out of place. You don't have to worry about holding it so much. And make sure your rubber band is pushed back some so that it won't show, okay, in the front. All right, once you have that part sorted out, you can kind of twist it to make a funky look, but we're just going to keep it plain. Okay, so once you have that front part sorted out how you want it to be, we're going to go ahead and get started on our braid. And it's pretty much going to be the same as the first braid, and we're going to follow our guideline, like I said, to create the braid in the direction we want it to go. So it doesn't matter which side you start. We're going to start from the top, take some locks, okay, come over the hair, just wrap it under like so. Okay, just like so. Take some hair from the bottom. We're gonna go up, over, some hair from the bottom. Gonna go over. Just kind of like bring it over and flip it around one time, just like so, and we're just going to basically hold it. We're going to take the last section at the bottom, and we're going to come over, bring it up. We're going to wrap under, oops, that last section. We're going to bring it over, bring it up. We're going to come under that braid. All right. We're going to wrap once. We're going to come around to the other side, and we can secure it at this point. However, what you can do if you like is you can wrap it again to bring it down a little. Just continue the crisscross method and wrap it around. Okay. And you can secure it at that point. You can wrap it one more time. Then you are securing those sections right there in the back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.